Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. Well, today is the second week of January, and although half of the month or close to half the month is close to being over, it's still not too late to plant some brassicas. And I'm going to show you two of my favorite types: purple top turnips and Chinese cabbage. I got these from Northeast Seeds. I'll put the link for their website down at the bottom. And I thought I would bring you along while I plant some of these right now. In this bed, we're going to put some of the purple top turnips in. And previously, I had did a row of some old seeds that I had. They have not come up. So I'm going to put the purple top in. I'm going to start out by digging a furrow that's about a quarter of an inch deep. And I'm going to go about maybe a foot and a half. Okay. In my youngest daughter's 2017 graduation cup from college, I have some general purpose fertilizer. Everybody knows that fertilizer always works when it's in your daughter's graduation cup. It works better. So I'm going to sprinkle some into the furrow. Then the seeds are small, so I'm just going to pour them in the furrow. When they do harvest germinate, I'll just have to come back through and thin them out. Now, this is different from what I normally do. I normally start them in a cup, but I really don't want to do that because I'm kind of pressed for time as far as their growth. So we're going to do it this way. And we're going to cover or backfill the furrow. And press the soil down. And we're going to stick a label in. And hopefully we will have some seedlings that will come up in about 4 to 10 days. Now, if you remember from previous video, I, in this bed, had also placed some turnip seeds and they didn't germinate either. So along this furrow that I'm doing now, we're going to do, forgive the airplane noise. Okay, that's better. We're going to actually do the whole length. I'm going to come back and do some harvesting in a little bit. So I'm going to take out my cherry bell radish. We're going to make the furrow the complete length of the bed. And again, we're going to go down about 1/4 of an inch. And again, we're going to take our general purpose fertilizer in 2017 graduation cup from Florida Gulf Coast. And we're going to spread it in the furrow. And we're going to open this up. And these are very small. And again, this is different from what I normally do. So I'm just going to take the seeds and pour them into the furrow. And again, when they germinate, we'll come back and thin them out. Chinese cabbage these are supposed to be some pretty big plants. So definitely we'll have to come back and thin them out. I use the Chinese cabbage to make kimchi. It's one of my favorite things to make. And backfill the hole, or the furrow rather. And we'll put our label down at this end. So hopefully in about 4 to 10 days, we will have some seedlings coming up, and then we can worry about thinning them out. Now, we had a really good rainstorm yesterday, just like most of the South did, and most of the Northeast had lots of snow and high wind. So I have some stuff that I need to harvest. So we're going to take care of that real quick. Well, here is our harvest. We got some Swiss chard. We got a head of broccoli and 2 side shoots, and we got the 1 radish. Not a big harvest, but as I have stated before, any harvest that you get is a good harvest, and I'm grateful. So I hope you got something out of the video. I want you to realize that even though we're in the second week of January, it's not too late to plant your cool season crops. You still should have some time left to grow, depending on where you live in the country. I'm in Zone 10, Florida, so I have time to do so. If you were interested in the seeds that I used, I'll link their website address on the bottom of the screen. You can head over and see whether or not you want to order. If you got anything out of the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.